Hello everyone, this is Lind electric pallet truck. First turn on the switch, bright blue lights. And the vehicle body shows a green light. Then the button on the switch is raised. Press the right hand brake to release. Push the red knob forward with both hands. Push the red knob backwards with both hands. Press and hold the red knob for forward or reverse. And turn the handle where it connects to the body. Front, back, left, and right display. The top button is the speaker. After completion, press the power button to shut down.